Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make stew less salty. The first step is to immediately stop adding any more salt or salty components to your dish. Take a small taste to understand just how salty it is. Don't worry, even a very salty stew can often be saved with a few simple adjustments. We'll go through 4 key strategies to bring your stew back to delicious balance. One of the most effective ways to reduce saltiness is by adding more unsalted ingredients. Consider incorporating extra vegetables like potatoes, carrots, or even some plain, cooked pasta or rice. These additions will absorb some of the excess salt and expand the volume of your stew, naturally diluting the salty flavor. Remember to add them in small increments and taste as you go. Another excellent strategy is to dilute the stew with more unsalted liquid. You can use water, low-sodium broth, or even a splash of cream or coconut milk for richness. Additionally, a small amount of acid, like 1 or 2 teaspoons of lemon juice or apple cider vinegar, can brighten flavors and cut through the saltiness. A tiny pinch of sugar or honey can also help balance the taste. As you make adjustments, remember to taste your stew frequently to ensure you don't overcorrect. If you added potatoes to absorb salt, you might want to remove them after about 20 minutes of simmering to prevent them from becoming too soft. For future cooking, always season your stew gradually, adding salt in small amounts and tasting often. This practice is the best way to prevent an overly salty dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.